friends, welcome to LR Virtual Classroom. There are many add-ins that are added as part of Excel 2019. Let's see the must-use free add-ins that will help you to automate many of the tasks that you have been doing manually and lot of visualizations that will help you to spice up your Excel dashboard and presentation. Let's get started one by one. The first is all about your people graph. These infographic charts are a great way to present your metrics in an elegant way. To insert the add-in, you can go for Insert menu, Get Add-ins, looking for the name of the add-in, click on Add, Continue. Here I can select the data. With just click of a button, I can select the data and create my people graph. This tells me number of resources working in my 3 projects. I have various options to change the theme or the way the data is represented. If I want to show the metrics like my project rating, I can show by using this particular shape. It helps me to create my presentations and represent my metric in a very elegant way to my management. The next we are going to talk about is mini calendar and date picker. Most of the time we struggle accessing a system calendar, but this particular add-in helps you to have a look of your calendar with instantly. Once you select the add-in, it will be available as part of your mini calendar and date picker. This particular add-in has a toggle in and off option to view my week number. When you are working in your Excel data related to dates or timelines, you want to have your mini calendar which will help you to quickly access your dates and calculate your data. I can also instantly pick the date and insert in my cell. The next we are going to talk about is Bing Maps. This helps me to create a data maps instantly. Once you add the Bing Maps, it is available as part of your Excel here. They are the easy one to plot your locations and visualize your data based on your country, state or city. Here I have added the state-wise revenue which has been showed as a plot of bubble. Now I can select my revenue and expense as well. The moment I create, I have both my revenue and Excel represented. I can change the way. Instead of circles, I can have my pie chart. So this helps me to represent my data to know the revenue and expense for different states. Like this, you can have your country-wise representation as well. Creating a Bing map is very easy. Instantly, you can edit your data as well. Next, we are going to talk about this Excel Colorizer. This is another cool add-in which I want to talk about. This makes your Excel very colorful. Most of the time we struggle in formatting our Excel cells. With just click of a button, I can apply the colorizer and format my Excel cells with a different color. Let me select a dark color here and I can select the cell. The moment I click colorize, I have my data here changed. I can also use my vertical format which will help me to change instantly. Or I can have in a horizontal format as well. It's a cool way to format your data cells. Next, we are going to talk about the Visio Data Visualizer. You don't have to be a pro in creating a flowchart and organization charts. With just click of a button, you can create both of them in Excel itself and modify and edit any point of time. Here I have added a simple process steps. When I click and modify the data, the moment I click refresh, my process flowchart is also updated. Here I have included my organization chart. It gives a default template where I can modify and then refresh any point of time. Let's create a new one. Let me go into my Visio. There are a lot of templates available for you in a flowchart. You can create your swim lanes as well. As you can see, I have a cross-functional flowchart or an organizational chart. With just click of a button, I have my template along with the diagram ready. In this way, I can modify the template any point of time for any changes in my organization chart and then present to my management. You don't need any complex shapes or smart art to create your organization chart or your process flow chart in your presentations. You can very well use your Excel itself, and that too, it's a free add-in. Next, we are going to talk about removing the unwanted characters in just one click. Most of the time we will be formatting ourselves to delete the data, like kind of you're having a combination of both characters and numbers. In that case, there is a remove unwanted characters, which gives an option for me to remove the numeric characters with just one click. Here I can remove my text characters with just one click. If I have any different symbols used, that also can be removed with just one click. Any number of cells I can select and then remove the unwanted characters from my cell and start working on my data right away. So, hope you liked all these free add-ins which are there as part of Excel 2019, and it is very helpful to you as well. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment.